Using design documents, we can then create lesson plans for each training program, plans that will guide the trainers as they deliver instruction. These documents include the course content and how it will be delivered, the sequence of learning activities and the objectives and outcomes of each one, as well as the time and other resources needed for each activity. Lesson plans may also provide suggested learning strategies and ways of overcoming commonly mentioned challenges to learning and transfer. There are two tools that we may use to design training materials and to discuss these materials with others, other stakeholders, other decision makers: concept maps and storyboards. A concept map is useful for organizing ideas and showing the relationships between concepts. We can use concept maps to show trainees information. We can also use these maps to discuss training ideas with decision makers. In its most basic form, storyboarding is telling a story with pictures on a board. We can use storyboarding to brainstorm ideas with other people and to articulate the plan for a proposed training program so that other stakeholders can understand what we're thinking about. We can use paper and pencil, computer printouts, online services to create a visual representation of a training proposal. Although it only takes us a few hours to learn about these materials through the readings, this video, and the examples on this Canvas page, expect to invest a significant amount of time and other resources to this step of program development.